All right, guys. Today we got two special guests. We got Miss Betty and Miss Crocker with us right now. Miss Betty and Miss Crocker are with us, and here they are. Miss Betty and Miss Crocker. Where am I getting that name from, Hannah?
I don't know. Oh. Okay.
The girls are going to make a brownie today. All right. It's very easy, Hannah. All you got to do is read the instructions on the back, and you and Bing can figure it out. What does it need?
3 tablespoons of water, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 egg.
All right, go get the egg and have Bing get the oil. Get the oil, Bing, Bing. Yeah, well, I don't want. All right, what's the first thing you do, Hannah?
3 tablespoons of water.
No, I got that right here.
Ah.
It's already out.
Where?
What's the first thing you do?
This one?
You got to put the mix in first.
Yeah.
You all right, Bing? You got to figure it out? You know what you're doing, Bing? Huh? Oh, keep that there. I'm not sure what that's for. We'll figure it out.
All of it?
All of it. Now you need, what is it, 1/3 of oil?
Yeah.
You see it right here. It's right down here.
Oh.
Keep it flat. Keep it flat. You see the 1/3?
Yeah.
Pour until you get to 1/3. Go slow. Go slow. Is it there?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Have Bing pour that in.
Lagay mo daw yung oil. Nani?
Yeah, yeah. Pour it in. Pour all of it in.
Lahat.
There you go. And 1 egg. Who's going to do the egg?
Oh, open mo. No, mas matuwa na
She's afraid she gets shells in it.
Yeah.
And 3 tablespoons of water. Here, put a. Just put some water in there, and then you can. Yeah, oh, and then you can just like scoop it out with that. Put 3 in there. One, 2, 3. Now, I'm not sure this pouch. Stir in brownie mix, chocolate syrup pouch, water, egg, and all right. So you can cut that open and have Bing put it all in there.
Lagay mo lahat. Chocolate.
Get all the juices out of there.
Lahat.
All right, Hannah, you're going to run the mixer. You ever run the mixer?
I did.
Oh, you did? That's one time. All right.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, Bing, you want to try the mixer? No, you don't want to try? Are you afraid?
I did things.
All right, put it down in. Put it all the way down in. Don't bring it up, else we'll have a mess. And then just turn it on. The other way.
Here?
There you go. All right, turn it up higher. How's it look, baby? Huh? One more higher. There you go. All right, Bing. Here's what your job is. You ready, Bing? Come here. You got to take this You go like this on the side, like that. Get all the powder down, like that. And then we set it. You got it, bang? All right. And then turn the, yeah, like turn the ball a little bit. Not, let her get the powder down. There you go. Real slow. How's she going, Hannah? All right, bang. It all down?
Yeah.
All right. Best part of cooking a brownie, making a brownie is? Licking the mixers clean. Remember when you were a kid and your mom would make a brownie or make a cake and you'd sit there and you'd be the one that wanted to lick the mixers clean? Yeah, it's masarap, isn't it? All right, now, I'll wait till you're done. I'll put this one here. Put some water in there. Oh, you can put them in there then. All right. Choop, choop. All right, hold this here. Hold it. Film me. Now I gotta do this part. I gotta do this part. Where's it at? I know we have it. Yep, here it is. Spam. Yes, you can find spam in the in the Philippines. You can find spam. I found it over at Marquee Mall. There you a little spray. And now, in goes the batter. In goes the batter. You're gonna pour that batter in here. Get your, that thing there, yeah. And then pour your batter in there.
This one?
Yeah, pour it in.
Siyempre.
Okay.
Brownies.
There you go. Get all that stuff, get all that good stuff out of there. There you go. Mmm. Masarap, huh, Bang? Masarap, Bang? Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. That's good. You got 99.9% of it. All right, let's go check the oven. We have preheated the oven to 350. Let's check what our temperature is. Well, we gotta wait till that oven climbs. All right, is it 350 yet, Hannah? Check it out.
Almost.
Yeah, it's good enough. All right, open up the oven.
This?
Yeah, you're gonna put it in.
Look.
Don't need to be afraid. Take this here. Put the oven door all the way down. And I'll pull this out a little bit. And then set it in the middle.
Okay.
All right. And use that and push the rack back. Go from the middle. There you go. All the way back. There you go. close it up. And we'll see you in 30 minutes. All right, girls, time to check the brownies. See if they're done, right?
Yeah.
All right, open up the oven door. All the way down. There you go. Let me pull this out. Now, stick it in the middle, like right down. Pull it out.
This?
Yeah, no, it's too much. No, don't cut it. It's dry. Yeah, you gotta like poke it like this. And if it comes out, still a little more.
Yeah.
Not quite done yet. A little more. Wait, hang on. Push this back on. All right. Maybe another. What do you think? How much longer, Bing? What do you think?
Ilan pa?
What do you think?
Tingin mo nga.
Maybe another. Maybe another 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes, Bing? Huh? Say another 10 minutes, huh? Yeah. Uh-oh.
Now the brown is done, we're gonna wait for it to cool down.
Yeah. What do you got to say, Bing?
Now the brown is
You guys did a good job. Was it easy?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, kind of easy. Brownies are easy to make. They're pretty good when they're
Yeah.
cooled off, aren't they, Bing? Yeah. Yeah. Uh-oh. Anything else to say, Bing? Can you make a brownie on your own?
No.
All right. Now we gotta wait for it to cool down. Guys, that's about the extent of our thrilling Sunday here. Look, and I did go over to Parkson's because I got that huge going out of business sale going on, and she wanted to get a 9-inch glass pie pan because last week we were in there and they had a bunch of them. She wanted to pick up some cookie sheets and things like that, and we got over there within 1 week, gone, out of stock. So then we shot up to Pure Gold on Clark and parked, walked in, seen the line of people waiting to check out, turn around and walk right back out. Gonna head, not going out on the Sunday, especially with Christmas, but definitely this week, get there. The key is to get to these places first thing in the morning, right when they open, get in, get your business done, and get out, because it's going to be a madhouse till till Christmas. So anyways, guys, that's about it. Rainy day, so I guess I'm just going to go in and been watching some Christmas shows today, and I'll go back in and watch some more Christmas shows.